They say that laughter is the best medicine, and I believe that to be true. I love to laugh, and I'm sure you do too. And being able to make a girl laugh is a key part of dating, because making someone laugh equals success in the dating game. But what happens though if you can't be funny face to face? For example, when you are texting a lady, you need to be able to make her belly laugh through a screen, which isn't easy. But today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a girl laugh over text. It's a skill that will definitely get you more attention from the ladies. Like and subscribe, and let's go. Create some inside jokes. You should create a unique connection between yourself and your lady using inside jokes. An inside joke is something funny that only the pair of you find funny. If someone else was to hear this joke, they would not understand it at all. For example, maybe she texts you first, which is something she has commented on before that she doesn't like to do. So you could reply and say, well, there's a first for everything, hey? And she might then say, I know, right? Who even am I? And you could say, I don't recognize you at all. And then it goes on from there. So no matter what, you will both always have your inside joke. So the sooner you get these, the better. Always be a gentleman. When it comes to trying to be funny, it can be tempting to joke about something sexual. If it is in a flirty way, then it's okay. But if it's too graphic, you might scare her away. Remember to always be a gentleman when you are joking with a lady. And if you want to start dating in person, then you need to maintain this whilst texting. Be funny and lazy. It can be hard to be funny. Not everyone is, and it does not come naturally to everyone. You can cheat a little by searching for some jokes on the internet. Then you could use them when texting her. For example, you could say, would you like to hear a joke? And then send a joke through to her. She will love that you have been so funny and that you have put in an effort to find some jokes. Send her a video. You don't always have to use your words to tell a joke via text. You can let other people do the talking, people in videos. If you're scrolling through Instagram and you watch a funny video, you can send it over to her and say that you thought she would like it. She will be laughing her head off as if you had sent a good one over to her that was from your own words when really you didn't do anything. Play a funny game over text. Texting can get boring when you only talk about the same things. So why not spice things up and play a funny game over text? You could play something like Never Have I Ever, or you could play a guessing game. Just something to keep her entertained and make her laugh from behind her screen. Openers that girls hate. All men that try to be funny via text do fall into the same trap. That trap is that they open with something cheesy. Now, they don't want you to send the stereotypical cheesy pickup lines that men use on Tinder or Bumble. They want you to introduce yourself and ask questions about them. So remember not to send anything cheesy because you think it's funny. Instead, ask them some questions and they will be more likely to want to get to know you via text. Make some creative jokes using her name. Use what you have been given and try to make a joke with her name. You can be cliche with this joke and she will love it. You could say something like, my favourite letter of the alphabet is S because it stands for sexy and Susan, which is your name. Send her a GIF. Now come on, hands up. We all like GIFs, we all like memes, don't we? They make us laugh and we find them very entertaining. You can send GIFs via text easily. You could do it to reply to something that she has sent to you. For example, she might have told you something exciting and you can send a GIF of someone who is really excited. Even better if it's a celebrity. Now you can also use memes as well. You can send them to her randomly when you find them funny and she will think that you are really funny before she's even met you properly face to face. Use emojis. Women love it when men use emojis. Normally women use emojis a lot because they are more emotional than guys. And it's nice when a guy can express with emotions using emojis. You can also use them to be funny by sending through an animal emoji or the face emojis. Just don't go over the top and use them when it feels right or when it can make a text appear funnier. Be playful. When you are texting a girl, you should flirt with her and be playful with the way that you text. Yes, it does keep her interested because it can get boring when you are just texting back and forth every day. It also shows her though that you like her and that you are interested in her romantically. It will keep her on her toes and help you to seduce her. Plus, you being playful will make her laugh, and that is like gold dust when you want to attract a girl. Exaggerate hypothetical scenarios. It's really funny when you can exaggerate hypothetical scenarios. For example, you might be talking about how you both finally met up. You could create this elaborate scenario in which you meet. Maybe you would both meet at the airport and you would whisk her away to an island where you could both lay down on the beach sipping cocktails. And she would be so impressed that she would never want to leave your side. Now, this is all hypothetical and very unlikely to happen, but she will love that you are speaking about the future. And as you tell her this story that gets more ridiculous, she will not be able to stop laughing. Tell her some hilarious stories. Everyone has funny stories from their past that will simply always be funny. So take some time to think about these stories and how funny they are, and then start sending them to her. You could open with a, "Do you want to hear a funny story about something crazy that happened to me?" And she will find it hilarious and feel connected to you because you've opened up about your past. Now, she might even send you her own funny story about her past as well. Tease her in a tactful way. Girls absolutely love it when you tease them. It's something about men being alpha male and being able to tease ladies with confidence that we really like. Don't be rude though when you are teasing her. You want to be gentle just to make her laugh a little bit. You could tease her about something that she says in a text or something that she has said in the past. Maybe she has said that she hates pickles, and you could tease her and say that you will go on your first date to a pickle factory. It's funny, a little bit stupid, but she will love it. Important, guys, practice makes perfect. Comedians are not just born funny, they need to practice their sets on material and with people over and over again. Now, the same goes for being funny over text. You need to practice on multiple ladies to get good at it, and also texting friends and being funny with them. That way, when you find the one, you will have your best skills at hand and you will be really funny already. You will land her in no time. Test the waters first. If you have only been texting for a short while, you won't know exactly what she thinks is funny or what her sense of humour is like. So before jumping into it all with your jokes, those inside jokes, videos and GIFs, try to find out what she likes first. Just start slow with a couple of lines. And that way you will know her limits and you will be a lot more successful with the ladies. If you think I missed something from today's video, let me know down in the comments. Give me a huge thumbs up and consider subscribing to make my day. But if you want to get your name rolling up next to my face, like these amazing people's names here, then all you have to do is click the link in the description bar below to find out a little bit more. Have an amazing day. See you soon.